Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are gonna see how to make a cupcake onesie. Okay, we will need baby rompers. I bought these online at Lazada, cupcake liners, gift box or a cake box, and a few rubber bands. First we need to fold the baby romper like this, and then we fold it into half. And we grab the end and start rolling like this. Okay, I'm just using one hand to roll and another hand to take this video, so looks a bit messy. Okay, after rolling it look like this. Secure the roll with a rubber band, and then you grab a cupcake liner and just stuff it inside it. And then we continue on with the rest of the rompers. It'll look like this, and you put it in a box neatly, and we're done. Thank you for watching.